What's up, beautiful babes, and welcome into Sugar Fingers. Oh my goodness, it's been so long since we talked nail stuff. Listen, I have been going through a transition with my nails, and honey, just with my busy schedule and digging them up so much, I've converted back to press-ons, and I wanted to share with y'all the press-ons that I'm loving and the nail glue that's working for me. So right now I have on some press-ons, and I'm pretty sure if you visit me on my other channels, you have seen these. But guess what? They started off as these right here. These I got off of Amazon. They're press-on nails, but they are that says Fakna. I don't remember that being on the site when I ordered them, but I guess that's the name of them, Fakna. But I'll have the links below. But again, these started off as these cute, dainty little almond-shaped nails right here. They have the little pearl studs on them, and they're kind of like a French tip. And after a while, I had to cut them down and file the little pearls off, the ones that had not fallen off. But these are super cute. I'll try to pop in on the side here a picture of them or a snippet of a video if I can locate one. But these were cute, and I'm looking at putting these particular ones on. And the reason I was waiting to do my nails, I was actually waiting on my Kiss glue remover stuff, because this Macart nail glue here, let me tell you something about it. When you put it on, it's gonna stick and stay for sure. So I have had these on now for weeks, y'all, and again, I have put on some gel polish on top of them. This is the original nail that I had, which I said was this one, and they are still hanging in here. So I give all kind of applause to this nail glue for sure, because this thing here, what? It's awesome. Now this is, like I said, a nail glue that they changed the packaging on it. This is a set of 3 in here, and it's a brush on, which I love that because I have more control, and I really do love that. But I only have one to pop off. I thought off because of course I use it like it's my own nail, but this is the only one that popped off. The rest are still intact and are not even trying. They're not even trying to go away. So anywho, I'm going to see if I can get these nails off, and if I can, I'm going to go ahead and put on a new set, which will be this one today, just to give this a little bit of a hard style. Well, the nails are coming off pretty good, I might say. I do have to wiggle quite a bit. I do have my old bottle that I keep to pop off my nails of the Kiss nail off, and they're coming off pretty nicely. Just taking a little wiggle time to get that done. Just sliding it under there and pop it off just like that. I would get to the last one and it don't want to pop off, so that's really good around there. Ooh, there we go. All right, perfection. These are just trash. All right, got them all off. Now I'm just gonna buff them a little bit, get some of that extra glue off, and then I'll be ready to go ahead and pop the other ones on. Now just taking a paper towel, and I'm going to go ahead and use some of my cleansing alcohol and wipe off the nails. Get any residue off of them, and also if there's any oils or whatever that's on the nail. Alright, as I said, I'm taking these, so I'm just going to size them up now and see which ones fit your girl. They do come with the little adhesive strips here, but I don't use this stuff at all. It just seems to look a little bulky on my nails, and it also comes with a nail file too, so a little one there. Alright, so I don't think these, well, they do, but you can hardly see them. They have numbers on them, but I can't see that. So I just have to fit it to size and see what works. And that looks like it works pretty cute. So we'll do that one. Alright, I'm just going to take the little file that came with it. This is the previous one I opened up, so I'll just use it to just get around the edge just a little bit here where my nail has grown out somewhat. I have all the nails picked out already, so it won't take long to pop them on and we'll be good to go. You feel what I'm saying? Just getting a little housekeeping done, and that is it. But I've missed y'all over here doing nails, but I just can't keep using all of those products because it was just killing my nails. So I'm just a press-on girl right now, or a gel girl. So that's all I've been doing with the nails. So nothing that you probably want to sit through time and time again. But if you do, let me know and I'll kick it off again. I'll just let you see me use all my press-ons and let you know where I get them from. So Amazon has been my favorite spot, and I love the Kiss nails. I use them quite a bit. And I also, like I said, use gel nail polish, which I think I have gone through and did a video on pretty much every gel polish that I've gotten in. I have not picked up any new colors, so I'll just be using those. But for now, just the press-ons, that's about it. So we're going to be using again this McCart nail glue that I got from Amazon as well. I order most of my items from Amazon when I do order. I'm just not an in-store kind of girl. I'll start with my pinky and work to my thumb. So I just polish it on just like nail polish. Nice even coat. I don't take it all the way to the end because I push the nail into it. So this is how I do that. Just push it in like so, making sure I get close to the edge. Now I take mine all the way to the cuticle. Some people don't. I push it under there and I hold it for a few seconds. Yes, I hold mine for about 10 seconds probably, but some people say 5 should do it, but I hold mine a little bit longer. Make sure it's on there good. I'm not buffing the inside of these at all. And that one is on. Great. And I will file off the tip of these in just a moment, like there's a little rough edge on it, so I'll file that off in just a moment here. But this is all the process is. That's what it's looking like. So I'll finish up and I'll show you the end result. Alright, just pressing on the last one here, and then we'll be ready to go ahead and take off, like I said, the little rough edge that is on the tip of these, that I guess when they create them, that's what happens. So that is good. Has two sides. Has this smoother side, which is a little pink side, a little bit rougher on this other side, I believe. I'll start off with the rough edge and just take off that little tip there, smoothing it out.
All right, we are done. We're going to finish it off with a little Cuccio oil. I put this all over my hands. I'm not sinking it into my cuticles as of yet because my nails are just now on. So I'm just going to rub it in on my hand mostly and across the nail edge there. So, yeah.
And there we are. Perfection. Yes. Just like that. Love it. So that's it, beautiful babes. Thank you so much for coming to hang out with me right here on Sugar Fingers. I'll see y'all on the next one. Take care. And in the meantime and in between time, keep your hair, your face, your hands, and your feet looking gorgeous. Bye.